In this video, I'd like to discuss the Textiles Direct Print or Digital Imaging product. This product, or quote type, is used when you're adding a print directly to a textile such as a t-shirt, sweatshirt, or cap. If we're in control within an estimate looking at the textiles product, and we've entered the textiles that we're going to add the image to, and please refer to the textiles video for further information regarding entering these textiles. Below that, you'll see quote type. If we drop down the quote type menu, the first option is direct print digital imaging. Once direct print digital imaging is open, your first option is print type. This sets the standards for your company and the defaults. You may set up different types of prints for caps compared to t-shirts at different price points. For now, we're going to choose a standard tees. You'll notice the styles included 1 through 3 are all checked with the total quantity being ordered. This is telling me that I have the first 3 styles of my textiles filled in with a quantity, so it is assuming that I'm adding these images to all 3 of the textile choices. I could at this point say no, I just want to add it to the first 2 choices and select which one's best fits you. Then I'm going to add a location, strikes if multiple are required, and what of the 3 styles being included is also getting the front center location. Then I'll choose a next location. Let's say I'm doing a front center on the first and third ones, but the second one, since it's a pocket tee, is just going to get a front pocket. In this case, I would unselect the second option and say front pocket. Since this is the first image being put on the second textile, if we're using a table-based function, it is important that we go redefine it as the first location. If not, it will assume this is a second location rather than a first location for the secondary style, for the second styles. Then I could put in a back, and we'll say the back's going to go on all 3. Then we come to our images. The height and width of the images, these are the defaults for their locations. They can be edited at this point for more accuracy, as well as you can load a thumbnail image and a file name to where each of the images is located. As far as the artwork is concerned, is it the same artwork as another order or another line item, or is it new artwork? And if it's new artwork, what is the setup time and creative design times or an artwork charge? If we look to the right, we'll see that there's a direct print and a price for just this print. The pricing method currently set as a default by the print type was table-based, meaning it is referring to pricing tables to come up with my retail price. The other option would be cost-based, where it's looking at the cost to produce this to give us a price. Detailed work order will print out your different locations with exactly what styles from above those locations go to. If everything's being printed to the same to every shirt in the order, it is not necessary to print a detailed work order. But in this case, to tell production, I may wish to choose them that the front pocket goes on number 2, the Hanes pocket lights, and the front center goes on the Fruit of the Looms. This will print those separately on the work order. The info gives you a little bit of information about this product, and the video will bring you to this particular video you're watching. Below that is the description of this quote type, and then the cost price details. This breaks down what is happening for this particular product. Set by the print type of standard T's, it is assuming the printer we're using, the resolution, and the ink type. There's 3 printer setups for 3 different locations. And the time for those setups. The textile setup is to load and unload on and off the printer, and then the print time itself. In this case, set to cost-based pricing, it is showing you your material, labor, equipment for a total cost. If we're looking at the table-based pricing, then your cost price detail will break out how that table arrived at its numbers. First, its table is based on the total line, table price quantity, the table quantity. Now the table quantity may vary. If I have multiple line items of textiles, I could say combine the total quantity when looking it up on the table for the entire order, just for this particular quote, or for the quotes on this full line. This concludes the entry of the digital print digital imaging product in control within the textile product. If you have any further questions, please review our other products in the videos or contact the Serious Implementation Department. Thank you.